Your voices has not been gone without being unheard. The frustration, the anger was heard by Supercraft cars. And the kits are available again. Stick around. Now let me stick right to the chase. Supercraft Cars has reached out to me and they have updated me on the Vaydor body kits. Now, as you guys may know, they told me that the body kits will no longer be available and the G35 will be phased out. However, I just got word from the man themselves, Supercraft Cars, that the kit as of February 11th, 2019 will be available again as a standalone kit for anybody to purchase, and parts will still be available to be purchased. So there you go, guys. If you was one of the commenters that commented on my last video saying that your plans were heavily derailed, they were crushed, they was abolished, you know, all those fancy words, but just changed by the decision that Supercraft Cars took in taking them out. Well, they have made it right. They are now back in stock after February 11th, and anybody can purchase them, so you can build your own Vaydor supercar in your own garage. Now, a little update about the mid-engine Vaydor. They also updated me on the look of the new redesign. I have seen it, but they asked me to keep it confidential for now. But let me tell you guys, oh my god, that thing looks, if you think, I mean, it's not better than the old one, it's just like different, but it keeps the same integrity as the Vaydor. Oh my god, that thing looks so freaking good. Now I'm really debating whether I should just get the new one and not the old one. Because this thing looks so freaking good. I wanted to show you guys so badly, but they asked me to keep it confidential, and I want to keep our relationship strong, and I want them to trust me with confidential stuff like this. But yeah, it looks really good. When I can show it, I will definitely make a video about that, and I will probably do like a comparison of looks and stuff like that. I'm looking forward to that time that I can, but they're still tweaking it a little bit here and there. Now, as for the stats of it, they did give me a little update on that too. They told me that the mid-engine Vaydor is going to have an LS3 with a Mendola transaxle paddle shift available. So there you go, guys. It's going to have an LS3. It's going to make really good power, and it's going to look amazing. Now, if you like this content, please give me a like on this video. But if you like exclusivity, information, content, please consider subscribing, because 2019 not only has Vaydor information, but my other builds like the Montero Sport. Until next time, guys, peace in the middle.